Yeah, it's a really windy day. Whew. I've been riding for now for 45 minutes, just out for the whole day, and there's lots of wind today, so I was hopefully going to get my drone out, but that don't seem that's possible today, but we will see a little bit later in the day. But I'm in Vegli, and I am just going to be out for a whole day, just running around, mostly on the tarmac, but I think we're going to also find some gravel roads, and it's a beautiful day, but it's a shame about the wind. But I'm just going to faff around all day and just take it easy. I packed lunch, something to drink, and I'm just going to have a good time on my new Norden. Yeah, real windy today. I rode up here. The gusts of wind just moved the bike lots around, but we're gonna have a good day. Hopefully the wind will change through later in the day, but I don't think so. Every time there's nice weather in these areas, we got wind. It's been like that for the last few years, but there's a really good places to fly a drone today, so that's a shame. Let's go find some good roads and have some fun. Yeah, this wind is a real shame. I don't know if you can hear me, but this hard gusts of wind. But the weather is awesome. But wind or not, we're gonna have a good time today. And ahoy! Whoa! Shit! The sign had blown over. I think I can forget about the drone today. Oh! Feel it grabbing the whole of the bike. It's been a long time since I've been on this road. Smådølvägen. It's so great with that the electronics is perfect. I haven't ridden that long on this bike, but everything is working. So I can tell you that I had this wind. A small issue with the bike already. Not the bike's fault, not my fault, but after I made the video on introducing the bike, a new bike, I was cleaning the bike the day after, and I just thought, yeah, I'm gonna start it up, and it wouldn't start, and it said transport lock on the display, and my dealership had forgot to remove that from the bike. So I called them, I sent them an email. They replied immediately and said they had done a mistake, and the morning after they came home to me and plugged in a laptop to the bike, and 2 minutes later it was solved. But I've been out with this bike a couple of times before that, so I haven't noticed before that, but problem solved. And my dealership apologized for not paying attention, so a little bit more loose gravel. Sorry if the audio is crap, but we can blame Mother Nature. But it's really annoying when you plan a whole day out, and yeah, the weather is good, but the wind, oh. But I will see. I'm gonna look at the speed on the clouds. Hoo-hoo. Yeah, I'm gonna find out where I'm gonna go. So yeah. Oh, this is annoying, really annoying. So we're going up to Tuno Dam, we'll ride that. That's a view. Tuno Dam. Ah, it's a shame that I can't put the drone up. You see the weather? Maybe it's not possible to launch outside. Too much wind. Oh, I'm so pissed that I can't fly my drone. Yeah, I'm at Tuno Dam. It blows a lot, and I know you don't even think you can hear me now, but it has been like this for the last hour. I'm even afraid that my bike is going to fall over. That's why I parked it over there. Oh. It didn't turn out to be the day that I hoped for, so we will go down again to Norden and find a place to have lunch, and then see what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, because I'm pretty tired in my head. The wind is blasting on the helmet all the time, so but soon 1000 k's on the Norden. It was not what I had planned today. Much wind talk today. Yeah, but true to the channel, we're talking a lot about the weather. Even debris in the road. I don't think I'm gonna go at the west side of the fjord when I get to the bottom here. We're down. You can feel the difference. So we popped up 7 degrees, and yeah, we're gonna find a good road home, find a nice place to have some lunch, and we're also gonna look at an old church that I showed you before, but if I stop there I'm gonna show you again. It's pretty cool. Here maybe. I know a better place a little further down, I think. Where is this here? No, it's a little bit further down. We will check that out. Gravel! I think there was people here over there. That's typical. That's every time I'm gonna see a place there's people around. But yeah, I think I'm gonna find another place. I'm not used to filming when everyone's around and just asking questions, so yeah, let's continue. This day hasn't gone to plan at all. But this is a nice spot, but there are people here, so yeah, so I stopped again. Not for lunch, but for looking at an old church. We're in Norden, and this is Nura Church. This is from 1167, so it has been here a few years. There are lots of these churches around Norway, and they are worth a stop. 1167, that's a while ago. And as you can hear, the wind is very hard still, and I think I don't know what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. I'm now heading back against Kongsberg, and we will see what we're going to do. But yeah, you've seen this church before on my vids, but I thought I need content for this vid, so yeah, some history. When I come back to the bike, my glove wasn't here, so my gloves were over on the other side of the road because of the wind. I think it's time to go home. I've done probably half of the case I have planned today, so that's a shame. But again, you can't do anything about the weather. Oi! I'm going on a trip with my father and my brother, and that's on the, the weather decides where we're going to go, but that's probably just going to be on the black stuff. And also plan a test trip to Sweden again, and an autumn trip on Tet Norway, because Tet Norway in autumn is so fucking beautiful. Whoa, I think it's time to go home. Jesus. I think I'm gonna skip lunch and just head for home. Most time you get the right tune at the right moment. That's good. Woohoo! Yeah, as you can see, I'm back home in Kongsberg, and the day has been much shorter than I thought, and that's because of the wind. It's not much wind here in my home city now, but I was a pain in the ass. So I had so much planned for today. Do a lot of flying with the drone, because we have been to some nice places to fly the drone. Didn't happen, and I couldn't have lunch outside because it was too much wind. but had a nice time. Got to do 350 k's on the Norden, so we're getting close to 1000, and service next. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye!